Crack Weeder. Has a nice balanced feel to it. We got a nice stainless steel blade on here. We can see we've got two edges here, sharper edges on this side and this side, about 3 inches from here to here. And we're looking at about 13 inches overall length. And it weighs about 6 ounces, so it's super lightweight. Easy to use, comes with a little cover you can put on here to protect the blade when you're not using it. You know, it's a kind of a cool multi-purpose tool to have around the garden. Obviously great for cleaning out cracks, stuff like this, pulling weeds out of areas like this that you normally have a hard time getting into. It's perfect for stuff like if you want to clean the in between the wood on your deck. It's great for that kind of stuff. And look at that, I got out of there. There we go. It's good for cleaning along the edges of concrete, you know, or you know where your driveway meets the road. Sometimes you get that little crack in there. It's good for that. Getting rid of moss and stuff that you have on blocks, or just cleaning blocks in general. If you've got a bunch of garbage on blocks, you know, moss growing on top of the cement, easy to get rid of it that way. It's just a really cool multi-purpose tool to have in your garden kit or your around the house kit for just for cleaning up cracks and stuff that you can't normally get to with a normal tool.